In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome history. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear your browsing history in Chrome, what each option means, and a few tips to avoid removing more than you intended. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Look to the very top right corner of the browser window and find the three vertical dots. That menu is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings. Click it to open the dropdown. In the menu that appears, move your cursor to History. A side menu will appear. Click History again there. This takes you to Chrome's History page, where you can see a list of sites you've visited. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open this page with a quick command, but we'll keep going with the on-screen method to stay consistent. On the History page, look to the left side panel and click Clear Browsing Data. This opens a pop-up window with options. You'll notice there are usually two tabs, Basic and Advanced. The Basic tab is perfect for a quick cleanup, and that's all we need for removing browsing history. At the top of the pop-up, choose your time range. You can pick last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you only want to remove a short window of activity, choose a shorter range. If you want a completely clean slate, select all time. Keep in mind, if you sync Chrome to your Google account and have sync turned on, clearing history here will remove it from your other signed-in devices as well. Make sure the box for browsing history is checked. This is the item that specifically clears your list of visited sites. You'll also see options for cookies and cached images if you explore further, but you don't need to select those for this task. Only check additional items if you're sure you want them removed, since clearing cookies can sign you out of websites, and clearing cache may make sites load a bit slower the next time. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Depending on how much you're deleting and your selected time range, this may take a moment. Once it's done, your browsing history for that time period will be removed. If you stay on the History page, you'll notice the list is now cleared for the range you selected. That's it. If you'd like to avoid saving history in the future for a short session, remember you can use an incognito window, which doesn't store browsing history once you close it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double-check the steps.